So hey everybody, this is a little bit of a different video.
My name is Andrew Gable. I'm a contemporary artist working in stone carving and painting. I've been doing art my entire life and have been successfully creating and selling my work as a full-time artist for over a decade. My mission is to share my journey as an artist to inspire you. This is my life as an artist.
I thought I'd make this video because I think it's going to be pretty interesting. So, pretty cool news. My wife and I purchased this 4-acre property in BC, central BC. I'm actually just up here getting some wood because there's a lot of firewood on it, and it's cold. It's about actually minus 25 right now, I think. And yeah, it's pretty stunning. There's got a little tiny house on it. There's really nothing in there, just a wood heater, just a tiny room. And then the goal is to actually make this place livable by next winter, but we're going to be spending the summer kind of getting things ready, and there's going to be, you know, that whole journey, that whole process of sort of living out here. And one of the things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building my studio. Not quite sure where I'm going to put it yet. Maybe down over there or up there on that hill, but it's pretty cool. It's going to be a pretty exciting time. I've always wanted to have land, and when I started carving, every time I'd think of my own carving studio, I'm like, man, it really would be nice if I just had some property and I could put, the studio out there, because then I wouldn't be bothering anybody with my loud carving noises. Anyways, holy, it's beautiful out here. We got lots of snow. Let's have a look in this house. It's like frozen. Okay. Got some wood here that I'm gonna take with me. Windows are frozen too. So yeah, I'm in the little tiny house now, but that's the plan, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I mean, that's an understatement. Or when we moved here last year, we talked a lot. When my wife and I got together, we talked a lot about having property and, just being close to nature, right? I grew up actually out in this area, and so to be back here and have this opportunity to have this piece of land out here, it's about 4 acres, is pretty cool and pretty surreal. Very fortunate, and I'm very excited about, getting out here and getting my studio set up to carve, and getting to just have my studio space right where my house is, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, it's February now. We just closed a couple days ago, or last week. Man. So that's it. Just wanted to share that news with everyone. Yeah, we've got this piece of property now. I've got a place to carve. Yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.